Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I have something unique for you to take a look at. This is a VR Gunstock for the Quest 3S. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun for a lot of people who are into those type of action games. Now, in the box, you're going to get a few accessories that you're going to attach to your different little controllers. So let me show you guys actually what comes in the box. Starter manual here to get us started. We get the stock itself and a bunch of accessories. So I'm going to take all of the accessories out here and show you guys exactly what you get. Now I can tell you, first off, I can feel the quality of this. These are built really well. You get a shoulder strap, and I want you guys to see here, this shoulder strap has kind of that accordion style. So that's going to be really nice for attaching it. All right, what else do we get here? We get the front section. Now, each one of these is going to allow you to attach your different controllers to it. So you see this one says right here, and this little magnetic piece comes out. And this actually goes inside of your controller, and that's going to allow you to take it out whenever you need to. It comes with a bunch of these little screws, and these screws are going to be for assembling everything, okay? And then we have the final component, which is this section right here. Now this is going to be this is the front section. So again, you have front and rear. These all connect together using the different screws to mount them together. So let's just go ahead and put this together so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, so let's take a closer look at it. We have our shoulder stock right here. This is adjustable, so you can raise and lower this. We have the center component here. This is also adjustable. The hand positions are adjustable as well. You can just slide this back and forth. And of course, as I mentioned before, once you have your controllers on here, you have these little inserts for the controllers that magnetically connect to it. You also can kind of rotate this a little bit. So if you want to be fancy with it, you can. So you have, some creativity there. You also have some flexibility here for raising this up and down. But again, you have this flexibility. So you guys can see, for the most part, how this is designed. I think this is going to be, a lot of fun for those who are playing some of those action, first shooter style games. This is going to be really nice. And of course, as I mentioned before, you can attach the shoulder strap to it so you can get very, very immersive into your playtime. So definitely check this out, guys. If you're looking for a way to really take your gameplay to the next level, I think this might be a very interesting product for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.